In this video, I'll show you how I shred my dead leaves, using only an electric string trimmer. Shredded leaves are a great way to add fertility to your garden, don't throw them away. First, put a tarp on the ground. This will be useful to turn the leaves over and move them to the garden when they are all shredded. Then, put a good amount of leaves in a big pile in the center of the tarp. Make sure to put on some safety goggles, and let the shredding begin. Using the string trimmer, begin shredding at the edge of the pile. Moving in a somewhat circular motion works best. If the leaves become too spread out, use the tarp to put them back in the center. Continue shredding for a few minutes. Check from time to time if the leaves are shredded enough. Repeat until most of the leaves are in small pieces. Like so. You can then grab the corners of the tarp and pull it. Bring it to your garden where you want to put the shredded leaves. Put the leaves where you have bare ground. They will decompose over the winter and add fertility to your garden. And if this helped you, don't forget to click like,